Alright, my people, welcome back to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, court grants Igboho'S 80 million naira bill, says no charge against detainees. The news in details. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has admitted to bail all the 12 detained aides of Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. Justice Obiora Egwatu made the order granting them bail on Wednesday while delivering his ruling on the bail application before the court. The judge stated that it was clear that no charge had been preferred against the applicants, who have been in custody since July 1st, when they were arrested and detained by the Department of State Services. He also said by the extant laws of the land, the applicants are presumed to be innocent until proven otherwise. He therefore granted bail to all the 12 detained aides on varying terms. Justice Egwatu granted bail to 8 of the detained aides on the terms of 5 million naira with one surety each. He also ruled that the sureties must be property owners resident in Abuja and must show evidence of 3 years of tax payment. The 8 aides are Abdulateef Onaolokpo, Tajuddin Irenloye, Dikola Ademola, Ayobami Donald, Uthman Adelabu, Olakunle Oluwapelumi, Raji Kazim, and Taiwo Tajuddin. The bail terms of the remaining 4 are 10 million naira with 2 sureties each. The court ruled that one of the sureties must be a federal government employee of not less than grade level 12. The 4 aides are Amudat Babatunde, Abidin Shitu, Jamiu Oyetunji, and Bamidele Sunday. Justice Egwatu admitted them to bail after hearing the submissions of the lawyers on both sides. The lawyer to the detained aides, Pelumi Olajembesi, had prayed the court to admit them to bail unconditionally. The DSS lawyer, Igboho'S, told the court that he was not opposing the bail of 8 of the applicants, as their investigations revealed that the levels of their involvement in the offense of arms stockpiling and other criminal activities were minimal. However, he opposed the bail of the other 4 applicants on the grounds that the DSS investigation had revealed their high complicity in the offense of arms stockpiling. The DSS lawyer argued that the 4 aides should not be granted bail in the interest of justice and national security. He also stated that their investigation was currently ongoing and had not been concluded, arguing that the DSS has a strong conviction that the 4 applicants, if released, will jeopardize the ongoing investigation. The fear of the respondents is that if granted bail, they will not make themselves available for further investigation and possible prosecution, Awo argued. Olajembesi, however, prayed the court to discountenance the argument of the DSS as it was unknown to Nigerian law. Olajembesi stated that the Igboho aides had been detained by the DSS for 34 days and had yet to be charged to court for any offense. He argued that their continued detention violated the provisions of the Constitution and was an infringement on their fundamental human rights. The Punch had earlier reported that in the suit marked FHC ABJ CS 647/2021, the 12 detained aides had approached the court to make an order compelling the DSS to produce them in court to enable the court inquire into the circumstances. Alright, still on the bail condition, Justice Egwatu also ordered that the title deeds of the said property must be verified by the court register and the DSS in addition to evidence of 3 years tax payment. The sureties are also to submit all travel documents to the court. Meanwhile, the 4 applicants were also ordered to report to the DSS on the first Monday of every month for the next 3 months. The judge in addition held that the 4 applicants should remain in the custody of the DSS pending the perfection of their bail conditions. Meanwhile, the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Igba Gani Abiodun Adams, has applauded Justice Egwatu's ruling for granting the 12 aides of Igboho bail, Adams, in a statement by his special assistant on media, Mr. Kehinde Aderemi, described the judgment as a reflection of people's hope in the judiciary. Also, Secretary General of Coalition of Yoruba Self-Determination Groups, Dr. Steve Abioye, said it is a welcome development. In the same vein, a former ambassador to the Philippines, Dr. Yemi Forumbi, said it is good that after the unnecessary delay, the court has risen up to the expectation. In another development, an Oyo State High Court sitting in Ibadan yesterday restrained the DSS and the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami San, from intimidating, harassing, and freezing the bank accounts of Igboho. The order followed the ex parte motion moved by Igboho'S lawyer, Chief Yomi Aliyu, seeking 500 billion naira damages for the invasion of Igboho'S residence in Ibadan on July 1, 2021. The motion was granted by Justice Lajiran Akintola. The presiding judge said the prayers sought by Chief Aliyu were granted, urging the DSS and Attorney General to comply with the interim orders. The case has been adjourned till August 18, 2021. All right, my people, that has been it on this one. Wow, should I call this another victory? Oh yes, it is. The Federal High Court has admitted to bail all the 12 detained aides of Sunday Igboho, contrary to what some people would have wanted. The judge, Justice Obiora Egwatu, also said that by the extant laws of the land, the applicants are presumed to be innocent until proven otherwise. From this now we can say that this is a victory, because we all know that the aides of Sunday Igboho and Sunday Igboho himself are not criminals, but they are just being attacked by our government and people at the top positions. But thank God that the court has given this ruling. Igboho has been set free. His aides has been granted bail, and we pray that in no time they would all return home to their various families. Well, my people, that has been it, and I would like to have your take on this. I would like to know what you think of this. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also drop a comment, because I would like to hear from you. Thanks always, and remain blessed.